Yueqing Haidie Electric Company Limited is a modern enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales, providing you with high-quality automotive connectors, matching mode R&D, and professional customized wire harness services. The company has always adhered to Haidie's brand line, adhering to the excellent business reputation and the business philosophy of honesty, aiming at building a professional supplier of automotive connectors, making connectors and building brand awareness and creating good environment for the stable development of the company. At present, the company has leading production equipment, high-quality technical services, thousands of plastic housing and terminal mold, and many cooperative factories. The design and production should be carried out in strict accordance with ISO Quality Management System and industry standard TS16949. After the steady development in recent years, Haidie Connector has won the recognition and affirmation of customers with its high-quality products, competitive price and good service. The sales system covers all of China and faces the world with a steady trend. With the aim of mutual trust and reciprocity, and the goal of good reputation, long-term vision, and common development, we will wholeheartedly provide quality services to our customers. Haidie Connect the World.